ये जो एक स्टेटमेंट है ये काफी लोगों के जहन में अब घुस चुका है दैट यू आर द एवरेज ऑफ 5 पीपल, लेकिन वो 5 में से 4 तो हमारे फैमिली मेंबर्स ही होते हैं और एक वो दोस्त है जिसके साथ थोड़ा हंस सकते हैं, क्योंकि काफी बोरिंग दिन बिताने के बाद कुछ हंसना भी जरूरी है, राइट। 5 तो हो गए, अब इसमें से और किसी नए को कैसे लेके आए और कहाँ से लेके आए, राइट। अब इसकी जो अंडरस्टैंडिंग है इसको चैलेंज करते हैं कि उसका एसेंस क्या है जो हम बोल रहे हैं, यू आर द एवरेज ऑफ 5 पीपल, हु आर दीस 5 पीपल। लुक एट द डिविजन ऑफ योर टाइम इन अ डे, okay? In your waking hours, if you spend 1 hour reading a book written by Dr. Joe Dispenza, he has spent 1 hour with you. He's part of your circle. If you're going to continuously read his work, he is already one of those 5, right? Then for 1 hour, you go out with your friend Bhumika and you spend like having a dinner together or lunch together and you're discussing various facets of life together. That's another part of the circle, right? Then you go back home and they give you that emotional strength and support that you require. That's another part of the circle. Then you spend some time with your mentors, right? Who will guide you, who will shape you to what you want to become. That is also a part of your circle. So when you are creating this average, it cannot be calculated on daily basis. It can also not be calculated on hourly basis. It needs to be calculated in terms of its quality. What is the quality of time you spend with people who are not physically with you, but you can learn from, like authors, speakers, maybe some YouTubers who are giving you the right direction, the right knowledge that you need. That's also part of your circle, right? Most of the mentors that I have who shaped me to be who I am today are authors, are people who are in different parts of the world I've never met, but they have a huge contribution to my life because I've been following their work, I've learned from their work. They're part of my average of 5 because I aspire to be them, right? I learn something from them. They give me the comfort to be who I am. So we can't discount that. 5 people are not the people we have lunch with, right? 5 people are the people we're spending maximum time with. Now that could also be the time spent listening, watching, reading, right? Or literally being together physically or virtually.